Two years got your pup shaking his head non-stop? Ear mites could be the sneaky culprits hiding deep inside those floppy ears. These tiny parasites feed on wax and oils in your dog's ear canal, causing itching, redness, and a thick brown discharge. If your dog keeps scratching or tilting its head, check for signs like foul smell, dark debris, or crusty buildup in the ear. Before rushing to meds, try safe home remedies that have been trusted by pet lovers for years. They're gentle and effective. Olive oil softens the wax and suffocates mites. Warm slightly and use a few drops in the affected ear twice a day. Massage the base of the ear gently after applying the oil. This helps the oil spread and soothes the itching instantly. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal power. Warm and apply with a drop or a cotton ball to clean and heal. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Use a cotton ball to gently wipe the outer ear. Never pour it in. Aloe vera cools irritation and heals broken skin. Dab a little around the outer ear flap to reduce redness and swelling. Brew a green tea bag and let it cool. Use it as a gentle ear rinse. It's natural, soothing, and fights inflammation. Witch hazel is a mild astringent. Wipe the ear with a witch hazel dampened pad to remove grime and dry excess moisture. Calendula oil heals damaged skin. Use a few drops externally to help soothe itchy or inflamed areas caused by scratching. Never use essential oils undiluted. Safe ones like lavender or chamomile can calm irritation when mixed properly with carrier oils. Make a simple ear rinse with warm water, saline, and a drop of tea tree oil. Only for external use, be cautious inside the ear. After applying any remedy, reward your pup. This builds trust and keeps treatment time stress-free for both of you. Always dry ears completely after cleaning. Damp ears attract bacteria and make things worse. Use a clean towel or cotton cloth. Trim long hair around the ears to reduce moisture and dirt buildup. It helps air circulate and keeps mites away. Wash your dog's bedding and toys regularly. Mites can hide in soft fabrics and reinfest your dog, even after treatment. Vacuum your home often, especially areas your dog sleeps. Mites love dust and fur. Keep their hiding spots clean and minimal. Check your dog's ears every few days during treatment. Catching new symptoms early can stop mites from coming back. If you have more than one pet, treat them all or keep them apart. Ear mites spread fast from pet to pet. If natural remedies don't help within a week, see a vet. Persistent cases may need stronger meds or lab checks. Vets may take an ear swab to confirm mites under a microscope. It's a quick, painless way to get a definite answer. Boost your dog's immune system with high-quality food. A strong immune response helps fight off parasites naturally. Add omega-3s or fish oil to your pup's diet. They reduce inflammation and promote ear health from the inside out. Watch for excessive grooming. Dogs with mites might chew paws or rub their ears. Spotting this can prevent spreading. Make sure your pup's collar doesn't rub against sore ear. Comfort matters during healing, so keep pressure off sensitive spots. Keep a basic pet care kit ready. Include oils, cotton balls, and gloves, so you're always prepared for quick relief. Regular walks and playtime reduce stress, and a happy, active dog heals better and fights infections more effectively. Healing isn't just physical. Give your furry friend extra love and reassurance. A calm pup recovers faster, inside and out. After consistent care, the scratching stops and the ears look clean again. That tail wag, it means you did a great job. Healing strengthens the bond. Every drop you applied and every minute you comforted your pup made a difference. Know someone dealing with itchy ears in dogs. Share these remedies. Helping one pup can lead to healthier homes all around. Subscribe for more natural pet care tips, remedies, and wellness guides. Your dog deserves the best natural.